Welcome to day 11 of our 14-day ab challenge. Today is going to be a little bit higher intensity, so your heart rate's going to get up, you're going to be breathing a little bit heavier, but you're also going to get a great burn in your abs. Again, it's 10 minutes today, that is it, so stay focused and let's get this work in. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos, and also leave me a comment and let me know you are here for day 11. All right, team, let's get to it.
To the problems, baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
While we're warming up, I wanted to let you know that in the description we have links to our HIITBURN app. In our HIITBURN app, we have full workout programs, follow-along workouts that include modifications and coaching cues. I'll coach you through all the workouts. So if you want your full workout programs, go check out the HIITBURN app.
Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my You agree, this is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me. What we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. Messed up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realized I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I'm stuck up in pride. I'm waking up now. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Mess it up. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine. Darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling, shine. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance.
Thank you so much for joining today's workout. Way to get in that work. Now, before you leave me a comment below. Let me know how that workout went for you. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, any of our upcoming challenges. And also make sure to share this video with a friend. We'll see you next time.